Here we have a SAT math problem. Okay, let's go the question. For a group of 25 or more people, a museum charges $21 per person for the first 25 people and $14 for each additional person. Which function f gives a total charge in dollars for a group with n people where n is greater than or equal to 25? Okay, now let me draw a line segment over here. 1 second. Okay, here I have drawn a line segment and let me mark 3 points on this line segment. That is A, and the second point is B, and the third point is C over here. And also let me assume the length of the line segment AC over here represents n number of people in the group. So the length of this line segment AC is n. And also let me assume the length of this line segment AB represents the first 25 people. Okay, then what is the length of this BC? To get the length of BC, we have to subtract the length of AB from the complete length AC, that is n. Then we get n negative 25. Okay, here this 25 represents the first 25 people in the group, and this n negative 25 represents the additional people in the group apart from the first 25 people. Okay, according to the question, the museum charges $21 per person for the first 25 people. That is $21 for one person for the first 25 people. Okay, now let me calculate the charge for the first 25 people. For that, we have to multiply the charge for one person, $21, by the number of people, that is 25. Then we get 21 times 25. So this gives the charge for the first 25 people. Okay, now let's consider this piece of information. That is a charge for each additional person is $14. Here we have n negative 25 additional persons. Okay, now to get the charge for n negative 25 additional persons, we have to multiply the charge for one person, that is $14, by the number of additional persons n negative 25, that is 14 times n negative 25. Okay, so this is a charge for the first 25 people, and this is a charge for the additional n negative 25 people. When we add them, we get the total charge for n number of people. It can be written as f of n, because the question says f represents a total charge. F of n means the total charge for n people. Okay, then we get f of n equals to, when I multiply this 21 and 25, I am getting 525 positive. Now we can distribute this 14 to n and negative 25. When I distribute this positive 14 to n, I am getting positive 14n. Okay, here positive times negative is negative. When I distribute this 14 to 25, I am getting 350. Okay, here f of n equals to, we can write this 14n at first, and now when we combine this positive 525 and negative 350, I am getting positive 175. Okay, here I got the function which represents the total charge for n people where n is greater than or equal to 25, and we find this stuff exactly in answer choice A. The correct answer choice for this question is A.